Welcome to Mushroom Guru again, and today I'm going to talk you through the easiest way to make your own spawn. You have probably heard that a lot of people out there, they prefer to soak their grain everything between 8 to 24 hours before they put it in the bag to then sterilize it. We do none of that. We like to keep things simple, and this way is very effective. We never had any issues. All we do is we weigh out 900 grams of, in this case, rye grain, which is brilliant. Every mushroom loves rye for some reason. They really like to grow on it. And what we do is we measure out 900 grams of rye grain. $900, 901. Doesn't matter, 1 gram more or less. So this we put into our polypropylene bag. These polypropylene bags are very important because anything else, plastic, will melt in your pressure cooker and creating havoc. You don't want that at all. These are high temperature bags. They also come with a filter. Later on, mycelium, as you might know, needs to breathe just like us. They need oxygen, and it also prevents contamination from reaching the grain, which also would cause problems. So what we do now is we add this to the bag, and then we add 600 milliliters of water into the bag, and that's basically all that we do. And you're ready to put it in the pressure cooker. And as I said, we never had any issue. It works perfectly well every time. The pressure cooker, we leave it in the pressure cooker for 2 hours, which will sterilize it completely. Easy peasy. Okay, so you have added your grain and your water, 900 grams of rye grain and 600 milliliters of water to your bag. Now it's time to fold it. Just fold it like this, wrap it all around, and this is a way that it should be stored in your pressure cooker with a filter up. Now if you have a sealer, heat sealer, this is a time to seal it, clamp down and seal the bag. But I realize not many people obviously have a heat sealer, so what you can also do is you just fold the bag like this and just add a rubber band around it. Make sure you don't get your fingers in between there. And this will prevent any contamination to enter the bag once you take it out from the pressure cooker later on. And that's all there is to it. And the wrap. And it's good to go into the pressure cooker like that. Perfect. 2 hours in the pressure cooker and you're done.